You own a truck, a car, ATV, doesn't matter if you're off-roading or driving on the pavement, you might encounter your vehicle having a flat tire one day. Now, in one of my last videos, I show you how to repair the tire on your own if you're stuck on the side of the road. But do you actually have the equipment to do it? Well, there's a great kit here, a CK Tire repair kit. You can carry that. Doesn't take no space, and here it comes with everything you need to fix your car tire or truck tire on the side of the road or in the trail. Here's what's included in the CKAuto Tire repair kit. So you got a nice pouch with a zipper, and when you open it, here, this is what you get. So first of all, you have the reamer handle here. Everything is heavy duty. So with the reamer handle, like I show you, you have to remove the thing that's stuck into your tire, bolt, screw, or anything like that. And then you have to ream it to make sure that the hole is big enough to put the plug properly. I'm going to put it in and out. So it comes with the nice heavy duty reamer, a spare bit for your reamer, the plug installation tool. There's a bit for this tool too if you end up having to replace it. A little baggie of 20 plugs. They're 4-inch length. Now to install those plugs into your tool here, they give you some lube in here. So you just pretty much dip the tool into the lube, and then you'll be able to grab one of your plug and then stick it in here, or pass it through the opening here without damaging the plug itself. When we push it into the tire, it's gonna go like this. In order to finish the job, they also give you a knife. So there's a little tiny knife here, perfect size, so you can cut the extra plug that's sticking out from your tire tread. All you need to do now is just find out what the air pressure that your vehicle takes. This also comes with some extra pieces that don't come in most kits. Yeah, you can find a CKAuto on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So in this kit here, you'll have the Allen key, and this is to change the end on your T-handle. Then you'll have the valve repair kit here, so you can remove the valve with this option. If it's one valve that's leaking, you can make new threads in here or chase the thread, fix the thread to install a new plug. So in this kit, you'll see you have 4 new tire cap or valve stem cap and 4 valve stem. This video is sponsored by CKAuto, but sponsor or not, I recommend everyone to have a tire repair kit into their vehicle at all time. So you're like that, you're not stuck on the side of the road. If you're interested in getting yourself one of those CKAuto Tire repair kit, I will have an affiliate link for Amazon into the description, and also a link for the CKAuto storefront on Amazon. If you like that video and you find it useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. If you're not sure how to fix your own tire, please go check out my video where I explain you in detail what to do, and I'll see you next time.